If the air in the pipeline cannot be discharged, it may cause poor water flow and water hammer pipe burst. At this time, an air vent needs to be installed to discharge the air in the system in time. Then, the question rises, why is the air vent always installed at the highest point? Why not install it at a lower point to facilitate construction? The reason is that the density of air is smaller than that of water. In a closed system, it will naturally gather at the highest point. When the system is filled with water, water flows to the lower part and air is all pushed to the higher part. If the air is not discharged at the highest point where it floats up, the water flow will be intermittent. The pressure cannot be built up. The pump will suck in air and cause water hammer, and the system will shake and make a lot of noise. Therefore, the air vent cannot be installed randomly but must be installed at the point where the air accumulates at last.